Good morning, lovely fourth graders. Today, we'll continue talking about perimeter. Today, we will find the missing side for a polygon. But what exactly is a polygon? A polygon is any two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. Triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons are all examples of polygons. The name tells you how many sides the shape has. For example, a triangle has 3 sides, and a quadrilateral has 4 sides. So today, I want to show you how to find the missing side for a polygon when you already know what the perimeter is. So let's look at this problem. It tells us, find the length of the missing side for the polygon so that it has the perimeter given. So they gave us the perimeter. The perimeter is equal to 72 centimeters. And they gave us 2 sides, 18 centimeters, 24 centimeters, but there's a missing side. So how do we find the missing side knowing the perimeter and knowing 2 of the sides? So first, we would add 18 plus 24, and that's going to give us 8 plus 4 is 12. Regroup the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 42. So now we know how much both of these sides are equal to, and we know that all 3 sides are equal to 72. So in order for us to figure out what the missing side is, what's n, we're going to subtract. So 72 minus the sides that we do know, which is 42. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the missing side is 30 centimeters. And let's check it to make sure. So 18 plus 24 plus 30 should give us 72. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Regroup the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. So all 3 sides, when we add them together, give us 72. So the missing side is 30 centimeters. Okay, let's try one more. So now this is a polygon. And this polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And it asks us again to find the length of the missing side for the polygon so that it has the perimeter given. And here's the perimeter that was given. So when I add all of these sides up, I should have 33 meters. So once again, in order for us to find the perimeter, we had to add all sides, but there's one of them missing. So in order for us to find the missing side, we're going to add the sides that we do know, which is 13 plus 9 plus 3. We're going to add those sides together. So 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Put down the 5, regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so the answer is 25 for these 3 sides. But we're still missing this side right here. So in order for us to figure out what this missing side is, we're going to have to subtract the sides that we do know from the perimeter. So this will be 33 minus 25. So we know we cannot take 5 from 3, so we're going to regroup from the 3. That becomes a 2. This 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0, so we don't need to put anything down. So the missing side over here is 8. So this will be 8. So let's check it. 13 plus 9 plus 3 plus 8. Oh boy. So we have 8 plus 3, which is 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So we're going to put this 3 down here and regroup to 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, 33. So the answer the perimeter are the same. So the answer is 8 meters. So remember, you have to add the measurements. So meters, so the answer will be 8 meters. And that is how you find the missing side of a polygon when you've already been given the perimeter. Hope this helped. Have a great day.